Hi everyone. Recently, when replacing the dryer drum rollers, I noticed a lot of dryer lint behind the dryer. So I opened up the duct chase and this is what I found. The interior walls were covered with dryer lint. I found a large hole in the flexible foil duct just below the roof vent. The dryer lint was also found in my attic space. I removed the old flexible duct and cleaned the walls. Here's the dryer lint buildup inside the flexible duct. Space was very limited at the roof vent to connect a new duct, so I decided to install a through-the-wall vent under the roof eave. I cored a 4.5-inch diameter hole through the 2x blocking. I chose this louvered vent hood made by Deflecto. I'll leave links to products used in this project in the description below. It included a 4-inch diameter straight aluminum pipe that was 11 inches long. I cut the straight pipe back about 3 inches and then attached a higher quality semi-rigid dryer duct. I used this dryer vent foil tape to attach a 2-foot length of the semi-rigid dryer duct and installed a clamp as added protection. I routed and carefully bent the flexible duct through the opening. I secured the face of the vent with 4 screws and then opened the louvers to peek inside to make sure there are no kinks in the flexible duct. I added a 8-foot length of semi-rigid dryer duct and another 2-foot length at the dryer connection. I then ran an air dry cycle and checked airflow at the vent. I reinstalled the duct chase but divided it into 3 sections and secured the panels with screws to make it easier for me to inspect the duct in the future. Next, I made sure the duct behind the dryer was not crushed or kinked. And finally, I sealed the flapper shut in the old roof vent.